So in our today's class, we'll be learning how to cut a Chanell bag for girls. The last one we made is handbag. So the one we'll be making today is a bag for young girls. So we'll be using a measurement of 6 inches by 10 inches. 6 inches by 10 inches. Then we are going to connect these lines together. So you see what I did, and I'm just going to cut what I have out. So I'm going to use this one to cut another two of the same size again.
Specialize in making of female and children dresses, ready to wear, making and surprise bags, making souvenir contacts and lots more. Contact us today.
And I'm going to use this. I'm going to take one and cut another one again, which is making it 3. The reason is because this 6 by 10 inches, we need 3 pieces of it. We need it 3 pieces. So I'm going to cut it. This is the third one. So this one 6 by 10, we need 3 pieces. These are the 3 pieces, 1, 2 and 3. So we need 3 pieces of this one. Now the next measurement we need is 21 by 4.5. This one is going to serve as the corset. So I'm just going to place it this way. .5 by 21 inches. So I'll measure 4.5 here by 21 inches. So I'll turn this on to see. So I'll measure 21 inches here. Now I'll take my ruler and connect the lines together.
So nice inside you 17 and you said time and tried to leave from nothing. I did face you when it started to me. We specialize in making up in every children dresses.
So the next thing I'll do here is to cut. But let me confirm the 21 inches first.
Contact us today.
So I will cut it out. We'll need this one, just one piece. So this one is, remember, is 21 inches by 4.5. I will need just one piece for this particular one. Then this one is 6 inches by 10 inches. I will need 3 pieces of this one. Now, having done this, you are going to cut foam and lining for it if you do not have a padded leather. But if you have a padded leather, go ahead and use a padded leather. But preferably it is better for you to use a foam for it. Remember how we did the other handbag that we made? We used a foam for it, so it is more preferable for you to use a foam for it, as that is going to bring out the beauty more than this one. But I'm just going to use this one so that you also see a different view of making it in case you do not have a foam. So for that handbag as well, you can as well use this faceless leather for it too, if that is what you want. So I'm just going to place this on it this way. So if you are using a faceless leather, that means you are just going to cut only one foam, only one lining. But if you are using foam, you are going to cut your lining 2. So remember, if you are using your foam, you are cutting your lining 2. But if you are using your lining, your faceless leather, you are going to cut just one lining. So this is the one for 10 by 6 inches that will need 3 piece. So this is the 3 piece. So we are going to know the reason why we had to cut 3 piece later when we are sewing it. So this one is the side corset and the base. This 21 by 4.5 inches is going to serve as the base and also the corset. I'm also going to cut for it as well. So when you are done cutting it, remember how we did the other one. You are going to use your chalk to mark out what you really want. So for this particular bag, I'm going to do the sewing on the two side and the cover. So this is mine. So I'm going to remove the pad that is going to be inside and set it aside, and I'm going to work with only the main body first. So in this particular one, remember you are starting from this side here. You measure this one. I will use 1 inch instead of 2 inches. So I'll just measure it 1 inches. I'll just mark, keep marking, keep marking. Connect these lines first. Did not draw it on the correct line, so I'm cleaning it so I can draw the line on the correct line.
Specialize in making all female and children dresses, ready to wear, making and supplies, bags, making souvenir contracts, and lots more. Contact us today. And
so we are going to repeat the same thing to the remaining two sides. So right here I'm done with the three piece. You can see the three pieces I have here. I am done marking the three pieces. So the next video will show us how we are going to sew it.
We're specialized in making of female and children dresses, ready to wear, making and supplies, bags, making souvenir contracts, and lots more. Contact us today and we'll get your work done, you see. So license IG17 and you said time it charge you need from nothing. Happy face you when it's started, so me. We specialize in making of female and children dresses, ready to wear, making and supplies, bags, making souvenir contracts, and lots more. Contact us today